Hello guys, welcome to Digital Doorway YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about a very simple, integrated and affordable all-in-one marketing, sales and support platform which offers a free CRM and social media suite in its free version. I've started using this tool in the last few days and I'm literally blown away by the features that it offers in the free version. This tool, in the very free version, it offers email marketing campaigns, email drip campaigns, landing pages, forms, tracking customer behavior, social media suite. You can publish your posts on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. You don't find a free social media suite being given away by any company. Other than that, it has video recording also. You can upload a video. You also have sales automation. You have customer segmentation. You have beautiful forms, inline forms and pop-up forms. And you also get ticketing features. Now, you don't find this in many tools, this many features. So the tool that I'm talking about is EngagePay, and I'm sure that most of you might not have heard of this tool. So let's take a look at what this tool offers in different pricing plans. I'm going to come over here. As you can see, the name EngagePay over here, and if you see, this is all in one, and they have the marketing bay, as they call it. And this tool is a direct competitor of Hubspot. In Hubspot they call it Sales Hub, and here they're calling it Sales Bay. It's Service Hub over there in Hubspot. Here they're calling it Service Bay. Regardless of the nomenclature and name that anyone is using, let's take a look at the features. And if you see, they have three pricing plans. One is monthly, and then you have yearly at 20% discount, and you have biennial, which is for 2 years, 40% discount. And if you see, it's just $8.9, $8.99, which is $9 per month per user. So this is quite cheap, and you get 15,000 contacts and 10,000 branded emails per month, right? So as opposed to, if you look at the competitors of EngagePay, like I was saying, HubSpot or ActiveCampaign and others, this is providing a lot of features, and it's also relatively very cheap, right? In the free version, you get 1,000 contacts and 1,000 branded emails, which is impressive. And what else does it provide? Let's take a look at all the features. As I was saying, in the free version, it provides 1,000 contacts, 1,000 branded emails. You can also create lists. You can create customer segmentation, predictive lead scoring. Now that's very impressive, because predictive lead scoring is not available in the free version of HubSpot, right? Embed forms, web pop-ups, email templates, very, very beautiful email templates, and we'll take a look at it now in some time. Autoresponders, tag management, social suite. Now this is again very important. You can publish on your social channels, and this is available in the free version. Integrations, reporting dashboard, again very impressive. Custom fields, live chat, video marketing, again video marketing really packs a punch. Facebook ads, desktop notifications, and one of the, again, very important, landing pages. Although they are providing just one landing page, but again, it's something that you can really, which you're getting for free. Landing page builder, SSL enabled for landing pages, email sequences, and 500 MB file storage. Now, if you, obviously, this is in the marketing hub or marketing bay, as they call it. And if you come to the CRM, then you have contacts in companies, tag management, deals, tasks, appointment scheduling. You can create links, email tracking, email scheduling, Gmail integration and Outlook integration, Office 365 integration. Now these three are very, very good. Social suite, it supports Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, like I was saying earlier. Predictive lead score and reports dashboard. And if you come further down in the service bay, then it provides, in the free version, contact management, ticketing and ticket views, file repository, and its support, it provides email and chat support. Now I've had them calling me also. They have called me a couple of times, although I'm in the free version now. I've just started using it, but their support is very good. Okay, and if you see the basic version, Obviously, as opposed to 1,000 contacts, you get 15,000 contacts and 10,000 branded emails. In the growth plan, you get 50,000 contacts and 25,000 branded emails. And in the pro version, you get unlimited contacts and 50,000 branded emails per month, which is again very, very impressive at this price that you're getting, $48. It's not much if you're considering what the features are being offered. And you can take a look at this over here. Right, you have triggers, you have custom reporting, you have role management, a lot of things which are, if you go to the other tools, it's really expensive. And you also have free onboarding over here in these two plans. Onboarding sessions are there, which is again very nice. Right, so I've been using it for the last few days and it's really impressive. Let's take a look at again, in the footer of this website, you will find the integrations. It has with Zapier, with Xero, Mailgun, Mandrill, SendGrid. They've listed the alternatives over here: Infusion Alternative, Drip, Active Campaign, and all of these. But for me, the real competitor is actually Hubspot because of the features and not for the price, because Hubspot is on the higher side when it comes to the paid plans. Although they also have a free plan which offers CRM and certain features of marketing, sales, and support. But over here in EngageBay, they are offering more in the free version. And Solutions WordPress plugin, real estate CRM, and there are so many things which they're offering. Engaging email sequences, web forms, landing pages, etc. Now, if you go to the resources, then you will find all of these guides over here, which is again good. You can go through all the guides. They also have video tutorials, which is nice. Products, if you can see over here, all-in-one suite is good. You get all of these, but otherwise you can also take Marketing Bay, CRM and Sales Bay, and Service Bay. Now you can sign up for free and start using this tool, as it says over here that features are listed. Now this is my dashboard if I've logged in already. So I'm in marketing and it has contacts. Let's take a look at this. And then it has lists over here. You can create lists. They have something similar. You have static list and you have smart list. So in HubSpot, again, you have static list, and instead of smart, they have named it as active list. But regardless, the functionality is the same. Forms, again, they have inline and pop-up forms. If you create, and they have very good, impressive, templates and designs over here. You can change the text over here. You can check the look and feel, the fields, settings. It shows the success message, redirect to another page after opt-in. There's a double opt-in option also, which is good. Autoresponder, contacts, etc. Even for pop-up forms, they have some beautiful forms, beautiful designs, and this is pretty much the same that HubSpot offers. And I keep saying HubSpot because I'm a user of HubSpot. I use their paid version. So when I started using EngageBay, I found that most of the features are the same that HubSpot has. So bottom left and bottom right, it shows in different places. You can also set the timer, the call to action, themes, designs, settings, So, and if you want more information on this pop-up forms, I've already made a video of the pop-up form in HubSpot. You can also take a look at over there. Landing pages, you can create landing pages. Again, beautiful landing pages that you have over here. And landing pages, you don't get it for free. I mean, many tools, they don't give you a free landing page, right? And these companies giving the landing page for free, right? So you can play around with the tool. and this I'm just giving an intro on this. Email templates. Again, you can design your own, start from scratch, which is the plain text, and different templates are there. And I'm sure that in the paid version there will be more of these templates. I'm not using it, but I've read it that they have some very good templates in the paid version, more of them. E-commerce templates are there, events and celebrations, which is nice. Video templates, again, you can create your own video. Email broadcasts. This is in the campaigns tab. SMS. Automations, let's take a look at this. Okay, in automations you have to upgrade. Workflows. Social suite. So you can connect to your network over here. You can connect the Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, right? And the good thing is that they also have something called the stream, where you can track the mentions. Then these mentions are somebody who mentioned your brand name or a Twitter handle, so you would know that who's mentioning your account, which is nice. You have sticky bars, you have push notifications, again, which is nice. So all in all, it's a good platform to use because you're getting everything over here. Let's go to the sales bay, as they call it. And over here you have contact list and companies, you have deals, and this is mostly for companies which your sales team handles. You have tasks, you can set tasks internally for your team, right? You can show the progress and you can drag and drop. Again, automations over here is in paid plan, and you can link your calendar. You can share your calendar and put the details. Let's come to service. So in service hub you have the ticketing over here. Live chat is again there, right? You can, and this is a new product, so you can start using this. And if you come to domain settings, then you will have the users domain settings over here. Social settings, you can add your IDs over here and you can connect it to start publishing. The tracking code, the API key, you can set your from emails, and all of these are there. Integrations, you have e-commerce, email integrations, others, SMS and others. You have DocuSign, reCAPTCHA, goals and more, field settings, etc. So all in all, it's a good tool to use, and this is something which you can really you get everything over here in one tool, in one platform. And if you have some budget with you, I mean, definitely you can consider start using it. Start with the free plan, like I am starting out, and then if you like it, then you can go with the paid plan. And since it's not so expensive and you're getting everything in one tool, you're getting landing pages which many businesses or freelancers they use, and you're getting social media suite. Again, you don't have to take it externally. You're getting forms, you're getting chat, you're getting pretty much everything that somebody, a freelancer or a small business requires, right? And it comes, it's economical. So try it out. I'm going to put the link in the description and check it out and let me know what you think about it. Okay, that was it in this video. If you like this video or if you have any questions, let me know, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and so that I can keep making videos like this. Thank you everyone, and goodbye.